In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this bolt and nut scene under 9 minutes. Let's press Shift-A to create a bolt. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Bolt Factory. Please experiment with the settings to get the best result. Here are my settings for the bolt. Unlike other mesh generators, we can always right-click the mesh in object mode to go back to the properties window like this. There are quite a number of options to explore in Bolt Factory. Let's work on the nut mesh. Here are my settings. Let's select the nut mesh. Type G and Z to bring it upward like this. I'll right-click the meshes and shade smooth. Please auto-smooth the normals as well. Let's rotate the mesh and set up the render scene. I'll create a ground plane. Select the main node and press Ctrl, Shift, and T together to add the PBR texture images. I'll share the download link in the description below. This PBR set is for the ground mesh. Let's undo and try again. To use the Ctrl, Shift, T feature, we need to activate an add-on called the Node Wrangler. The actual PBR image doesn't look like this. This issue occurred because Bolt Factory's meshes don't have good UVs. We can always use the camera node to bypass the UV issue, but I'll show you a better option shortly. Let's move on for now. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. Do you see an odd pattern on the bolt and the nut meshes? That's because the camera node is not always the best option to use. I'll show you a proper way to fix that issue. Let's use the UV node instead. Tab to go to edit mode, 3 to face select, A to select all, and U to UV unwrap. Looks much better. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.